Right then, so my name is Dave Johnson. I live in England, the UK. Okay, so I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. Now, I probably, like you, stumbled and bought the next best thing on Warrior Plus or something like that, and it's turned out to be a load of crap. Okay, yeah. But however, I started full time once I found this program. Okay, and it is the best thing on the internet that I've seen, and I've been around quite a while now. Okay, I'm earning daily commissions, and this is my main source of income online. All right, so it's called the system, or the OLSP system, however you want to call it. So that stands OLSP stands for one lead single pixel. Okay. Now, what you get inside the system is a special link just here. Now that's my link. And all you have to do is promote one link and you will get 7 income streams from it. Okay. And you get 100% commissions on the front end. Now it's a one-time payment, okay, and it's $7, folks. $7. All you've got to do is make one sale, and you've got your money back. Okay, it's a one-time payment. So how bizarre is that? All right. So what you'll get is your link, which is here with all your instructions. Get it? All your instructions there. You will also get your 2 webinar trainings just here. Computer's lagging a little bit. You will also get our special Facebook 101 training. Again, you can access your product there. Now then, this is extra special. This is all included with your 7 books. You will get our software. It's the Common Dominator Pro software. Okay. Now this, you can earn commissions from straight away. They're only small commissions, granted, but if you haven't earned commissions before online, you will do with this, guaranteed. Okay. Now, you can also use this software to make your posts go viral in Facebook, so it keeps your post at the top of the news feed. It's a great piece of kit, and you get all that included for $7. Okay, so if you're getting commissions commenting, you can easily get your money back, your $7 back. All right, you'll get a user guide, and you will also get our traffic challenge fast start. All right, so you can get started straight away. Now, like I say, I've been with this system a while. These are the commissions that have been paid out in the last 24 hours. Now, sometimes that gets up into its thousands. Every day, people are making commissions from this system. All right, so these are my commissions. Now, you might think, well, 5,000 and you're making a full-time income. This is what's owed to me. This is what the system's owed to me. It's pending. You've got to wait 30 days in case there's any chargebacks or refunds. Okay, once that 30 days is complete, it then goes to your commissions, and that is what I've received so far, 24,000. And as you can see, my balance there. Now I've just blurred all these emails out. Okay, so these are second tier. So what this basically means, if you get the right package inside, your downline, if they make a sale, right, for $7, I get $14. That's bizarre. That's never heard of in the internet. Okay, that's 200% on your second tier. Now all this, as you can see, I've not been promoting this week, but obviously the people under me have, so I've been receiving the commissions as well on a daily basis. Okay, folks, so yes, there are upgrades. That's totally left with you. All right. You can upgrade to a builder's package where you get all the softwares. You will get training sessions every day in the week. Okay, you'll get a webinar that you can promote every week, a different webinar. You don't have to get any authorization to promote it if you come into the builder's package, and the commissions just keep going up and up and up the further you get through the system. All right, but you can get started for $7 and you'll get the 7 income streams from it. The only problem with that is the commissions are a bit smaller as you go up. Okay, so the best thing is to upgrade. That's what I did, but that's up to you, and it depends on your budget. All right, I'm not telling you what to do or anything. It's just my recommended step to do because it's working for me, as you can see by my results. Okay, so this, you also get list building magic link. Okay, this is quite bizarre as well because you can get started. Once your traffic starts, you start earning commissions. Once you get a sign up, you start earning commissions if you get a click inside your email, any email. Okay, so we give you the emails to do it with. We'll give you a traffic rotator to send the traffic through. All right, so that's a guaranteed, again, commissions. Now the vertical video is TikTok, Instagram, Reels and things like that. And team builders, that again is the big product. That's the one to aim for. You'll get, with that, you'll get the Mega Messenger, which is another software we use at Facebook, which is that's quite an awesome bit of kit. That's got to be used daily if you want to start making bigger commissions and getting your Facebook posts seen in the right audience. Okay, so that is included in the team builder and the mega builder package, or you can actually buy that separate for something really silly price. Okay, TD pages, you get this again with the team builders or the mega builders. That is an excellent opt-in page builder, any page, bridge page. It's quite awesome. And then you get the mega builder software, which goes with the mega builders and the team builders. That is just a business in a box. You don't need any email software. You can put your domain in, you can create a blog, you can create a membership site, you can track all your stats, you can put your customers through Pipeline or your prospectus through pipelines. It's automatically done. Okay, inside there are also some advanced pages and a funnel, especially for OLSP. So all you've got to do is go on a quick call, get everything set up. You will be fully automated with emails and everything to go out, and it looks as though they're from you. Okay, they're personalized as well. Although OLSP will promote your downline for about 2 weeks, so it's best to get in the habit of doing it yourself straight away. Okay, this product here at the moment isn't being sold separately, but if you want to do Facebook marketing organically, this is the best thing on the internet today. Right, so that is included with some of the packages. Not sure which ones it is, but it's possibly the Mega Builder and the Mega Build. Excuse me. I'm not sure which one it is. It could be the team builders or the mega builders or both. And then there's various other upgrades. I'm in the VIP, which is I've run it all the way. I'm in the VIP here, so I get access to all these other things as well. Okay, now inside here there's like I don't know, 60, 70 shorts that you can use as templates or anything. So here we have across the top, these are the latest webinars you can promote. Okay, if you're a builder, you can promote all these high ticket offers. Okay, so you'd click on there. This one's happening today, actually. So you just fill in. You'll find out what it's all about there. Fill in your name and your email address and register for that. And this one's happening today. Okay. So I think I've covered most of it. Oh, you get excellent support here, live support, just underneath my face. I'll move that. Live chat, you just click on there. If it'll let me do it, yeah. And you'll get live chat, you just select which one you want to chat about. The support is fantastic, okay? You'll normally get a reply within 24 hours. And you can see your up and coming events here with your training sessions. Okay, so you get all your different things on your calendar so you can remember everything what you need to be going through. And that's about it, folks. So I can't recommend this platform enough. It's called the OLSP system, or the system OLSP, or one lead single pixel. Okay, go ahead, go and click get your mega link, and then I will personally send you an invite if you're from Facebook. If not, you'll have to contact me on Facebook. I will personally send you an invite, so I'll support you all the way through the OLSP system, and I'll share anything that I do online, or make you a video or anything like that. Okay, folks? Trust me, this is the absolute best system on the line. So I'm going to leave the link below, and please take this seriously. It's a business, okay? It will work if you work, and all you've got to do is be consistent. Okay, so stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon.